Did you click on this video because you're craving for hot fried chicken sandwiches? I've got you covered. Today I'll take you to my favorite top 4 spots in downtown Toronto for hot fried chicken sandwiches. So let's go. So big disclaimer guys, this video is not sponsored by any of the restaurants. You guys know I'm such a big foodie and that's why I wanted to make this food series to show you the best spots here in Toronto and GTA. And also because of COVID, these restaurants are badly hit and I wanted to support locals. And now guys, I'm really hungry, so let's not waste time and let's dig in. So the first spot is at Queen Street West at Chen Chen's Nashville Hot Chicken, and this is my favorite. Because of COVID restrictions, everything is shut, so we'll just do a takeaway and let's go.
So yeah, the hot chicken sandwich is what we're known for.
Okay.
It's the one that everyone talks about. My personal favorite is the mac and cheese with the chicken bites on it.
I haven't tried the mac and cheese, so I can definitely try that, and we'll get the hot Nashville hot sandwich.
Okay.
So I've got my order here. Very hungry. I've actually not eaten anything since morning because today I have to try so many different burgers and I literally fasted. Oh my god, look at this massive piece of chicken. This is huge. Let's try this out. You have to try this. This is so good. So on the heat level, I did hot because I really love hot fried chicken. But there's also one more level up, which is the poultry yeast. But that's going to be too hot for me. So if you like hot fried chicken, you should definitely come here and try this. So this has a huge piece of chicken with this brioche bun as well and some coleslaw. And this chicken is so crispy on the outside and it's so tender inside. And also we ordered mac and cheese. This is one of their popular dishes as well, which I haven't tried before, and this will be my first time ever because they recommended it. So there's mac and cheese, there's chicken, fried chicken, as well as bacon strips as well. Wow, this combo of mac and cheese with fried chicken, it's ultimate. It's so tasty, I'm not even kidding. I can't stop eating.
I think this is one of the best fried chicken burgers here in Toronto. It's amazing. It's huge. It's massive. I usually don't eat spicy food. It's just that it has a perfect blend of spices.
And because of COVID, there are no patios that are open. So just finding a place at this parking spot, maybe I'll just sit here and have. This sandwich has such a soft bun. The bun makes a lot of difference in a sandwich, and this is completely proved by Chen Chen's hot chicken sandwich.
I think when you're hungover, this is the go-to burger for sure.
Yes.
Done. Finally. Yeah.
Now we're going to the next one. And now we have to go there. So we're in the beautiful neighborhood of Annex and it's a 5 minutes walk to Auntie Lucy's. So now we're at our next spot, Auntie Lucy's. So it's inside the Annex Hotel and you must be wondering why it's called as Auntie Lucy's. So I'll give you one exciting fact. It's actually named after the chef's grandmother and everybody called her Auntie Lucy. That's why it's Auntie Lucy's, and now let's check it out. We get one Nima sandwich and this pink ting soda.
Soda?
Yeah. Let's see what we got. We got some pink soda. This is sparkling grapefruit. It looks so cute. And we have the Neema sandwich from Auntie Lucy's. Whoa! So this is the popular Neema sandwich from Auntie Lucy's, and this burger is special because you don't really see a lot of veggies on a fried chicken sandwich. This is something I really like about this one because this has obviously the fried chicken and some lettuce, tomato, and look at this sauce. And again, the burger bun. This is the potato roll bun, which is so soft. I can't wait to take a bite of this Neema sandwich.
This is my turn to try now. Let's see how it is. It's pretty huge.
Go for it.
Oh man, wow. This is heaven, I would say. The chicken is so tender, so juicy. And the white sauce, I thought it's mayonnaise or something like that. It's garlic sauce. It's yummy, man.
And you have sauce on your face.
That's fine.
I can see you're totally enjoying it.
It's amazing. Yeah, you were right. They have lettuce, tomato. I think it adds more flavor to it. We've tried at least how many? 10 to 15 burger places, like fried chicken burger places. But this is one of the best. One of the best, for sure, in Toronto.
That's why it's on our list.
Absolutely. You also have some garlic sauce on the side.
Do I even need to say anything? I'm sure you can make out from my expression.
You should definitely check out, guys.
And also the bun is the best part. Like, guys, seriously, the bun really makes a lot of difference, and I've seen that from these two places. If you've not tried this, I don't know where you're living. This is the sparkling grapefruit and it's called Pink Ting. Wow, this is really good. So guys, you have to try this Neema sandwich along with this Pink Ting for sure. This is the best combination. Cheers. Now to the next stop. So now we are on Queen Street West and heading to our next spot. Let's go. And the next spot is Baba's Fried Chicken, and here it is. Let's go. So we have ordered our favorite Nashville hot chicken sandwich. I just can't wait to try it. Like, I've already tried it, but can't wait to have it.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. Whoa. So this is the Nashville hot sandwich, and we customized this sandwich according to us because I really like coleslaw in it as well. So this has coleslaw, hot fried chicken obviously, and some pickles as well. So now let's dig in. Wow, this white sauce is so good. Even the fries are so crispy and nice. And don't forget to add coleslaw in this. That's how we customize it and love it. You have to try the Nashville Hot from Baba's Fried Chicken for sure. And now the next stop is on John Street. So the next spot is in the entertainment district, and it's Burgers and Fries Forever. This is also one of my favorite spots for hot fried sandwich. So let's not waste time and let's go. So we are just waiting for our order now, and I'm really excited to have the Nashville hot fried chicken sandwich. Let's try this one now. And let's try this one. I've already tried it though. Even this chicken is so crispy. Can you hear that crunch? This also has coleslaw, pickles, and chicken, obviously. So this is an Ottawa based restaurant chain which has recently opened in Toronto. So make sure to check out this place for their burgers and fries. And that's about it. I am so full, I cannot even tell you. I've tried 4 chicken sandwiches today and oh my god, I don't think so I'm going to have dinner tonight at all. But it was all worth it. And yes guys, this is it. So these were my top favorite spots in Toronto for hot fried chicken sandwiches, and you should definitely give them a try. So if you ever tried any of these fried chicken sandwiches, make sure to tag me in the Instagram post so that I know that you finally tried it. And this is it from my side guys. I really hope you liked the video and my first food series. Oh my god, I think I'm going to gain a lot of weight doing the series, but obviously we'll make sure that I also exercise at the same time. And Saransh, how are you feeling after trying 4 fried chicken sandwiches?
Oh man, I'm so full, and this is the first time I've had like 4 sandwiches back to back just because of you, Peekaboo, just because of for your videos. Otherwise, oh man, this is like too much for me.
So do you want to come in the next video as well?
Yes, absolutely. Who doesn't love food?
And also let me know in the comment section below, what do you want to see next? Pizza, desserts, or I don't know, Indian food? And Saransh, do you want to come with me?
As long as I don't gain weight. So hope you guys enjoyed our day full of fried chicken sandwiches. And now, bye.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video, and obviously you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.